Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is YogaYely Daily, and today I have 10 minutes of Sun Salutation with variations. This is a great practice to come in if you have a long pause in your practice and you're trying to go back into your practice. So doing Sun Salutations helps you to reconnect with your body, reconnect to your breath, and get your mind into that steady flow of being in the present moment. This is also an excellent class if you're looking to squeeze a little bit of yoga in your day, whether because you are too busy or having a longer practice is not doable for you today. So welcome, and let's go ahead and start at the top of your mat. So find your Tadasana, mountain pose, spreading the toes, feel the body weight on your feet, engage your legs, neutralize the pelvis. Shoulders back and down, and lengthen through the back of the neck, and palms facing forward as you rest your arms by your side. I invite you to close your eyes for 3 rounds of deep breath on your own as a way to help you to anchor your awareness, arrive to your practice, connect to your body. Set an intention perhaps to just develop a little bit of self-compassion as you go back into the movement. Just let the practice be what it needs to be. When you feel ready, if your eyes are closed, gently open and reach the arms overhead. In your next inhale, touch your palms at Mukha for Urdhva Hastasana. As you exhale, gently forward fold, dropping the chest to your legs. Keep your legs bended if that feels better for the back of your legs, and just extend and stretch the back of your neck. Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen, come halfway up, fingertips below your knee to help you lengthen your spine, shoulders relax, crown of the head towards the front, and engage a little bit the core and put some weight into the tippy toes and feel the spinal muscles a little bit engaging in Ardha Uttanasana. And then exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Let's do a couple of half Sun Salutation. Inhale, come all the way up, Urdhva Hastasana. Long exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come all the way up, reaching arms overhead. Touch your palms. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthening your spine halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Strong legs, reaching the arms up. Exhale, slowly forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And then as you exhale, release your hands down, bending deeply the knees, and then step back slowly into downward facing dog, Ardha Mukha Shavasana. So the first downward facing dog of the practice, take a moment here to feel your strength from the upper back. So anchor through the fingers, lifting the sit bones high up and back, and use your thigh bones to help you press on weight into the legs. Be mindful of printing your feet and your hands equally into the mat, and feel this first inversion. Just try to engage your upper back muscles with your expansion slightly of the scapula, letting the head drop and between the arms, and just feel this very active inversion in the practice. Bring your feet together and rise the heels, bending the knees, bring your gaze beyond the hands, and when you feel ready, as you exhale, gently walk or jump to the top of your mat. Good. Inhale, lengthen halfway up. Long exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up, arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway up. Exhale, Ardha Mukha Shavasana. Deep, long inhaling, downward facing dog. And then as you exhale, slowly roll into your first plank, shoulders above the wrist. Walk your feet a little bit back. Keep your thigh bone strong, pushing the floor away, gaze forward. Variation of Chaturanga Dandasana, dropping the knees down, and then pull your heart forward as you bend the elbows back to hug your rib cage. Keep the shoulders high, and then drop the thighs and open the chest for your cobra, pressing the top of your feet in the mat. Exhale, close your chest, lift the hips, tuck your toes under, and push back into Adho Mukha Shavasana. And that's going to be our vinyasa. Bring your feet together, rise the heel, bend the knees, look beyond the hand, engage your core. When you feel ready, walk or jump to the top of your mat for Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Long exhale, forward fold. And just start playing with maybe stretching the legs a little bit more. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, slowly, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Feel the back muscles engage. Belly strong. Exhale, hands down, step your foot back. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale here. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees down, and slightly go into your Chaturanga variation. Inhale, find your cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Bring your feet together, rise the heels, bend the knees, look beyond the hand, and then as you exhale, walk or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Long exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up, arms overhead. Exhale, palms together in the center of the heart. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Utkatasana. Bend the knees, sit back, reaching the arms forward. Breathe in. Exhale, release the hands, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen halfway up. Exhale, release your hands down, step your right foot all the way back, drop your right knee. Inhale, arms overhead, low lunge. Exhale, hands down, step back into your plank. Feel strong here. Exhale, knees down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your right leg up and back, three-legged dog. Maintain the right glute engaged and your right hip closed. Draw some weight into that left heel, push the floor away with your hands. Exhale, bring the right knee to the chest, roll into your plank, drop the right foot in between the hands, left knee down, low lunge, opposite side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, step forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms all the way up, looking, touching your palms. Exhale, palms in the center of the heart, Samastiti. Start to feel the breath and the heat building in the body. Inhale, arms up. Long exhale, forward fold. Scoop your belly, drop the head down. Inhale, shoulders back, lift the head, come halfway up. Exhale, release the hand, and step your left foot all the way back for your low lunge. Arms overhead, inhale. Exhale, hands down, stepping into your plank. Breathing fully. I'm modifying my plank. I'm nurturing at rest, so just notice what the body wants you to do. Drop the knees down as you exhale. Find your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot up and back, three-legged dog. Just the same movement, but on the other side of the body. Take a moment here to feel your balance. As you exhale, that left knee is gonna come into the chest. push the foot away as you roll into plank and drop that left foot in between the hands. Right knee down, not an easy transition. Arms overhead, inhale, low lunge. Exhale, hands down, step forward, Uttanasana, nice and slow. You got this. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up, arms overhead. Exhale, palms in the center of your heart. Let's do one more on each side. Low lunge, inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, right knee back. Low lunge. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, hands down, step back to plank, full inhale in plank. Exhale, find your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, right leg up and back. Exhale, low lunge, opposite side, left knee down, arms overhead, inhale. Exhale, hands down, step forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up, arms overhead. Exhale, Samastiti, palms in the center of the heart. Settle the pace, settle the mind, settle the breath. Left side, inhale, arms up. Long exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, left foot back, drop the knee, low lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, step back to plank, full inhale in plank. Exhale, find your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, three-legged dog, left leg up and back. Exhale, left foot in between the hands, right knee down, low lunge, arms overhead, inhale. Exhale, release the hands, step forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, palms in the center of the heart. One Sun Salutation B. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, press back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale here. Exhale, find your plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Just make this practice your practice. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Remember, this is a variation of Sun Salutation just to get you back in the body. Don't worry about being perfect or having the same strength or flexibility that you used to. If you have been out of practice, just be grateful to be here, breathing and moving. Inhale, right leg up and back, three-legged dog. Virabhadrasana 1, right foot in between the left hands, dropping the left heel, come all the way up, arms overhead, inhale. Exhale, hands down, stepping back to plank. Don't rush it. Notice the tendency to rush. Feel the body. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot up and back. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 1. Right heel drops, arms overhead, inhale, strong legs. Exhale, hands down, step back, find your plank, full inhale, settle in. Exhale, knees down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, feet together, rise the heel, bend the knees, look beyond the hands. As you exhale, walk or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthen halfway up. Exhale, bend the knees, Utkatasana. Deep inhale here. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up, arms overhead. Exhale, palms in the center of your heart. Release the hands by your side. Tadasana. Take a moment here, close your eyes. I want you to notice and observe how you feel. Drop the judgment and notice with a sense of self-compassion. Notice how your heart's beating fast. Notice the heat building inside your body. Just appreciate what 10 minutes of straight movement with breath can do for your body. Appreciate the strength and the flexibility. Appreciate the breath helping you to anchor your mind in the present moment. Bring your palms together in the center of the heart. Gently bow your head forward. Set an intention for the day or for the evening. I personally feel grateful to have my practice to help me go through anything that life might present, to give me clarity, forgive me foundation, and make me feel grounded. When you feel ready, open your eyes. And thank you guys. Thank you for practicing with me. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel after practicing these 10 minutes of Sun Salutation? If you would like to practice with me live, I'm offering weekly live stream classes. The link is going to be in the description of this video. And if you have any suggestions about what would you like to practice next, also share with me in the comments. I'll be happy to hear from you. Of course, if you enjoyed the class, you're welcome to practice as many times as you like. This is a very classical yet variation of Sun Salutation. Feel free to share with some friends if you are practicing and need some inspiration. Happy to be here for you and with you. Until our next video, thank you. See you around.